Do you have calculus or plaque on your teeth? This calculus remover is what you need. It has like 4 different modes, 4 different intensity powers. It has 2 different types of heads. This is the brand, and it comes with so many accessories, guys. It's amazing. Okay, it has this pointy head to do between the teeth, and it has like a second kind of head that is flat and a little bit wider than this one to clean on the surface of your teeth. It comes with those accessories here, those like the heads, extra pointy head, extra 2 head, and this to remove it. It will help you, like you just twist it to remove it and replace it. Comes with all of these. This for the tongue, this for you to see if somebody's helping you out, and those like to continue the work. Comes with this little case where you can put them inside of it. Very, very elegant, right? It comes with a charging cable. It has a USB-C cable. It comes with an instruction manual. It comes with this also velvet um, case. So, and it has a cover, of course. So let's work it. First, you need to long press on it here. It switches on, and it has and short presses to change the intensity. It will vibrate once you touch it on your teeth. So I'm going to clean my teeth right now. And this is like the pointy head, so I'm going to do between my teeth. Really nice and very easy. And oh my god, I already see some plaque. I didn't know I had. It's really nice. It's very useful. If you're looking for one, then this brand is for you. Thank you for watching.